Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you what to do if your device doesn't want to turn on. So the simplest answer to this question is check whether the charging cable is plugged into your device. Plug it into one of the two USB Type-C ports on the right edge of your computer, and then let it rest for a while, charge for a while, and just press the power button once and it will start turning on. And if it doesn't happen, then there are several reasons that might cause the problem. And the first one is that your charging cable isn't providing your device with enough power for it to turn on. So first, make sure that you're using an original charging AC adapter and cable, which look like this. Mine has a 65 watts of power, but if I'm not mistaken, this model actually requires a 75 watts adapter. It's just that this laptop has been used by someone else, and the battery is slightly worn out, so right now it can be charged with 65 watts of power. But generally speaking, if you're not using an original AC adapter to your device, then choose a substitute that can charge your device with at least 75 watts of power. Unless you do that, it will probably not be able to charge. And also check your AC adapter and cable for any visible damage, which might also cause the problem of your device not being charged properly. And if this isn't the problem, then maybe your device was exposed to extremely hot or cold temperatures. In such cases, devices might not be responsive for as long as 12 hours, so just let it rest for a while in such case, and don't plug in the charging cable. Plug it in when your device has rested, and then let it charge for a while, and again press the power button to turn it on. And if it still doesn't help, make sure that you're not using a cheap substitute. Make sure that you're using an AC adapter and a cable from reputable sources, from reliable distributors, because otherwise cheap adapters and cheap cables can also break your laptop, and specifically your laptop's battery. And speaking of battery, maybe your battery just died, and in such cases, well, you simply have to either contact ASUS customer support service, or head to the nearest repair center and let them take care of your device, detect the issue, and maybe replace the battery in your laptop. And this will most definitely help you solve your problem. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.